So this is a video of how to run the scheduler with the Hamilton robot.
Okay, so if you're scheduling a program to run, under Hamilton, there's a scheduling subdirectory, and you need to create one of these .vbs files, and you can take one as an example. And two things to change. You need to put the name of the method we're running here. So we're going to be running let's see, methods, experiments, protocols. Experiments. Champions FL.
Is that what you want there? Champions.
Oh, and Champions.
Champions FL is at the top.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Championsfl.med.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or is it the VBS file? No.
We're gonna need the whole path. So we need experiments.
Yeah. Slash.
Make sure I don't make a typo.
Yeah, I'm checking.
So
yeah, that's correct.
So that's where we set this, and then this VBS file is called Champions FL Launch. So that's what has to go here, so that if it has to retry, it just runs again.
Cool. That's there's a typo in there. Champions. Champions is spelled wrong.
Okay, so yeah, so you need to set those two parameters. Also use one of the recent scheduling edit one of the recent ones from 2016, not one before that.
So that was, sorry, edit the recent.
Yeah, if you're going to use one of these.
Champions FL launch.
Yeah, if you're going to use one of these as a starting point.
Okay, if you're going to use one of the _launch.vbs files as a starting point, use one of the more recent ones.
Yeah, 2016.
2016 onwards.
Yeah, I guess there's 2023 ones now, so we might as well use those. Okay.
Just use the most recent one.
All right. So we've created this program that's going to launch our Champions experiment. Then we run the Windows scheduler, task scheduler.
Clock icon.
Yep, it's a clock icon, and there's a under the schedule library there's a robotics folder. Right click on that. Oops. Oh.
You're going to be in it, and then right click it.
Oh yeah. Create basic task.
Create a name.
Okay, and then we're just going to run it one time. You can schedule it daily if you want. If you're going to run the same time every day. Then
set a time. So it's currently 4:24 p.m. So for our purposes, we'll do 4:20. Well, I guess we may lose it. Should we do 4:26?
Okay, let's do 4:26.
Yeah, as you said. Yeah, that's great. Start a program.
Now we have to select the .vbs file we set up.
Great.
And
Then that went into this list at the top.
Yep, it's right there.
This one, right? The top one for this one. We're running Champions now, not the Wash MTH2.
Yeah, I should delete that one. You can delete a task when you're done with it.
We did this one earlier, so that's one to delete. We don't need to do that obviously to run the Champions, but to clean it up. So we're just waiting until 4:26, and then the method should start running. Oh, is there nothing's open down there, right? With the traffic light. If something's open on the Hamilton run control, the traffic light icon, then the scheduler won't be able to run and start anything.
Yeah, what it does is it checks the tasks that are running, and it looks for HX run, which is not running.
Currently not there because we haven't done it. And as in the text file David pulled up earlier, the .vbs file, sorry, there's a value, currently it's set at 2 minutes, that if the Hamilton run control is open, then it will try and reschedule what it's set to schedule in the set amount of time that you give it. So for example, 2 minutes in this case. And then it'll keep retrying until it's able to start the scheduled method. And there we go, 4:26. Champions method is starting. Great.
So we don't really want this to run, so I brought a task manager, and I'm going to have it in the process.
End process, and then click OK.
Let's see. I just turned it off. I wasn't sure what I was going to do.